Let's go drift it.
Hey guys, I'm the Drifting Dad. Thanks for sticking around. I know I've been absent for a little bit. Unfortunately, I had a major mountain biking accident at the beginning of June, and I messed my face up pretty bad. I broke my cheekbone, had a major concussion, had some stitches and whatnot up here, and I've started to recover now. I've got surgery actually today, and then I will be hopefully back to normal next week. So I should be expecting to make some more videos in the coming weeks, but it will definitely be a while before I can get out and drive again because of the concussion. Now I'm going to take the tape measure and adjust the length of these lower trailing arms. Kind of get the alignment in the ballpark. Here's some of the tools I'm going to bring with me. When you go drifting, you definitely want to be prepared, especially when it's a multi-day event. Probably wouldn't bring this much if I'm just going for the day, but when you're going for a long time, definitely having stuff like fab tools, things to fix any damage that might occur. And the nice thing is too, like, even if it's not going to happen to your car, what if one of your buddies has a problem or someone else? It's always nice to be able to lend a hand to them. And then obviously I've got my fluids. Still need a few more things, but this is pretty much good selection. It is Friday. I'm about to head over to VIR. I stayed at my in-laws last night. Had to help my father-in-law with an electrical issue on his car, so got that fixed, and I'll be on my way. What's up, guys? Just did tech. Just had some loose seat bolts that I'm gonna fix, and then we'll be going out around 9:40. A group's about to go out right now. It was amazing to be on a real track instead of just like a parking lot event, because everything's like so smooth. Unfortunately, I did not get any video of driving. The first day I had some fuel leaking issues, which obviously that's a safety issue. So I had to remedy that, which I remedied that overnight. And then on the second day, I got a few runs in. I had the fuel leak issue fixed. Car felt really good. But then, unfortunately, I had a little mishap and bent the wheel, broke the coilover, etc., and broke the control arm. The track itself, Patriot Course, is a phenomenal track. Definitely, if you have the chance to drive it, you definitely should. Here's the damage from HyperFEST. You can see we have a very large, you can see the control arm broke. And then this is the other issue. The coilover broke. And we also have a bent tie rod, which I'll make a new one. Here's the wheel. You can see it's pretty bent. I'm gonna try and fix it. Have someone weld up the aluminum maybe and use it as a rear, if possible. Here is where part actually broke. This piece of this vehicle snapped at the smallest point, or I guess where it necks down, as expected. Here we got the new coilover, the actual shock. Go ahead and take this apart and just replace it. Shouldn't be too bad. Here you have everything apart. What I'm going to do here is actually put some grease on the thread so they don't get galled up. Clean everything up and then reassemble. I'm going to put everything on opposite. So this goes on first for the spring. Then one of these lock nuts. And then the other lock nut, which is for the actual mount. Then the mount goes on. Here are the tie rod. You see it's pretty bent. So what I'm going to do is take this, cut this in half. I've got some more tubing. Let's put that back together because it's not worth even trying to straighten this thing. I've got the coilover all back together now. Just need to I've got the rest of the camber plate in the car. So tighten this bolt down and put it back in the car. Here's the coilover all installed. Just gonna have to put the knuckle back on, brakes and everything, and then put the tie rod and the low control arm on. Expect to see some more videos from me coming out in the next few weeks once I recover, but it definitely will be a while before I can drive again. Because of concussion, they want to wait as long as possible before I get into doing anything risky that might involve hitting your head.